Do you struggle to create visually engaging and accessible online learning materials? Do you lack design skills, time, or access to resources? Let's face it, we've all encountered online learning materials that leave much to be desired. Text-laden presentations, monotonous worksheets, and unengaging videos can quickly disinterest learners and hinder their understanding. But fear not, there's now a solution. Today, you'll learn practical design principles and techniques to create visually captivating materials using Canva. In this session, we're going to cover Canva tips and tricks that even beginners can learn in order to use Canva effectively and efficiently, engagement strategies, techniques to make learning materials more interactive and engaging for students, time-saving customization, where you'll learn how to adapt templates and stock for quick and creative content. We will play with a variety of Canva's AI-powered magic tools, and accessibility. Explore the built-in accessibility tools that Canva has to offer and contribute to making learning more equitable. My goal for this session is to help educators and other content creators unlock your creativity with Canva and create engaging and accessible learning materials. My name is Callista Dawson, and I'm the Learning Experience Design Manager at Los Angeles Pacific University. I am also an education specialty creator for Canva. It is my pleasure to share all of my ideas and tips and tricks with you today. Canva is a game changer for educators and content creators. This free and user-friendly platform empowers you to design stunning visuals without needing extensive design knowledge. With its intuitive drag-and-drop functionality, vast library of templates, images, and icons, creating engaging presentations, worksheets, and even infographics becomes a breeze. Plus, Canva integrates seamlessly with many learning management systems, including D2L Brightspace, making it easy to incorporate your creations into your existing online courses. Now, let's begin to unlock your inner design genius. Here are some of the fundamental design principles to keep in mind when creating visually captivating presentations. 1. Simplify. Don't overwhelm your audience with information overload. Focus on delivering clear and concise messages supported by impactful visuals. 2. Clarity. Prioritize clean and easy to read fonts, contrasting colors, and a well-organized layout for optimal comprehension. 3. Consistency. Establish a consistent visual style, fonts, colors, and branding elements to create a cohesive experience for your learners. 4. White space. Strategic use of white space between elements enhances readability and avoids a cluttered look. 5. Contrast. Ensure adequate contrast between text and background elements to make your presentations accessible for all learners, including those with visual impairments. Canva streamlines the design process. Utilize its wealth of pre-designed templates as a foundation for your projects. Instead of starting from scratch, simply customize these templates with your content, brand colors, or preferred fonts. Canva offers a vast library of royalty-free images, icons, and illustrations. Leverage these visuals to enhance the understanding of complex concepts and add visual interest to your projects. Play around with various font styles and color combinations to find a theme that aligns with your content and resonates with your audience. Or you can use your branding from your institution. Explore the animation and transition features to create a dynamic and engaging learning experience. Accessibility is paramount in online learning. It is not optional. By ensuring your materials are accessible, you are creating inclusive learning environments where all students can thrive. Here are some key design principles for accessible learning materials. 1. Use alt text for images. Provide a concise description of the content for each image using alt text. This allows screen readers to convey the information to visually impaired learners. Canva has made this as easy as ever. Using their AI-powered suggestion feature, you can create alt text at the click of a button. Color contrast. Maintain a strong contrast ratio between text and background elements. This ensures optimal readability for learners with visual impairments. 3. Clear hierarchy. Structure your content logically using clear headings, subheadings, and bullet points to make it easy for learners to navigate and understand the information. Font size and style. Opt for clear, large, and easy to read fonts. Avoid using overly decorative or script fonts that can be difficult to decipher. They are pretty, but they're not legible. Consider dyslexia. Sans serif fonts such as Lato are generally easier to read for individuals with dyslexia. Lato also happens to be the font that D2L Brightspace uses in their LMS. Lastly, avoid layouts that are overly complex or crowded with text. Let's take a quick peek at the accessibility features in Canva. You will click on File, Settings, check Design Accessibility. That will bring up the Design Accessibility sidebar. Here, this will scan your project for typography issues, color contrast issues, and missing alternative text. At the click of a button, you can resolve any of these issues. For typography issues, it will let you know if your font is too small. You can easily increase the font size to the recommended minimum size. To resolve a color contrast issue, it will notify you when there is low contrast, it will show you what your current text color is, and it will suggest which color you should apply. Not only that, but it is pulling the colors from my brand. If there are any images in your project that are missing alt text, they will show up here. All you have to do is click on the element, click Add Alt Text, and you have the option of typing in your own or using the suggestion feature. If the element is not informative and is simply decorative, you can click the Mark as Decorative box, and that too will resolve the issue. Let's quickly go over the Magic Studio. From the home page, you can click on Magic Studio to access all of the available AI tools. So one thing all of these tools have in common is that they function very easily with just a simple text prompt. 1 to 2 sentences, and you can have a whole project that matches what you need. You can use Magic Design to create infographics. You can create presentations, and you can also create videos. Magic Write is a very cool tool because it will create copy in your voice or the voice of your brand. One of my favorite features is the magic switch. Say you created a video that is in horizontal format, but now you need it to be vertical. Magic switch to the rescue. At the click of a button, you can change its size and orientation. With Magic Animate, you can bring your designs to life with motion, and Magic Morph can apply fantastic effects to your words and shapes. Are you having trouble finding a stock video or image to use for the concept you're trying to convey? Now you can use AI to change text into video or images. Describe exactly what you need, and it will whip it up for you. Say you have a photo that you want to use, but there's just a few things about it that need to be tweaked. With Magic Edit, Magic Grab, and Magic Expand, you can now take that photo and change it to be exactly what you need without even opening Photoshop. Canva's marketplace is filled with other AI-powered tools. I encourage you to take a look at all of them to see what's available to you. When it comes to engaging your students, here's some things to consider. Those who prefer to learn visually will benefit from clear illustrations and diagrams, while those who prefer auditory learning might appreciate embedded audio clips. Students who enjoy learning kinesthetically would love to have interactive elements like drag and drop activities or clickable buttons. You can also turn your projects into templates which students can download and use for their assignments. As you can see, Canva is a powerful tool that can transform the way you create online learning materials. By embracing the design principles covered in this session and leveraging the vast functionalities of Canva, you too can create visually captivating, accessible, and engaging projects. This in turn will foster a more interactive and stimulating learning environment for your students, empowering them to grasp concepts with greater ease and enthusiasm. I encourage you to explore the resources offered by Canva for Education, which includes a treasure trove of templates, tutorials, and professional development opportunities. These will help you on your journey to becoming a Canva Design Pro. Thank you for attending this session. Now go forth and create amazing learning experiences for your students.